Welcome to Vipas.AI, where we prioritize your experience with cutting-edge AI applications. In this short tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to change the theme according to your preference, where you can customize your experience with dark and light themes. First, open your web browser and navigate to Vipas.AI. Ensure you are logged into your Vipas.AI account. If not, click on the Login button at the top right corner, then enter your credentials and login. Once logged in, locate the Profile section at the top right corner of the website. Click on your profile icon to proceed. Clicking on the profile icon will display a drop-down menu with several options. Carefully look through these options and select the Settings option. This will open the Settings page. On the Settings page, find the Theme Preferences option located on the left side. Click on it to proceed. On this theme preference page, you will see two main options for theme customization. Single theme allows you to select a specific theme, dark or light, to always be applied. Sync with System synchronizes the theme with your system's theme settings. Below these options, you will see the selective theme options. Click Dark to apply the dark theme. Once clicked, it gets applied instantly. And click Light to apply the light theme instantly. Now the preferred theme is applied to the platform. This way, you can change and personalize your experience with the platform. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your journey with Vipas.AI.